In this video, we'll show you how to replace the downstream O2 sensor on your Subaru Baja. This is located under the vehicle and part of the exhaust system. Let's get started. To get to the O2 sensor connectors, we need to remove part of the intake system. To start out with, we have two 10mm bolts up front. And we can go ahead and remove the beginning of the intake. Normally there's a tab that comes off the intake here going to this 10mm bolt. We'd have to remove that, but in our case the tab broke off. It's common with these, so we can go ahead and just remove that for now. If we turn this connector, we can see we have a tab right here. Go ahead and press in on that. Pull out the connector. Make sure you always check for damage or corrosion on any of the terminals. Following the wire down, I'm going to use my fork pry tool for this. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver or a set of needle nose pliers, and I'll just pop this off. Moving down the exhaust to the back side of our catalytic converter, we find our secondary O2 sensor. I'll be using an O2 sensor socket, which has a split on one side. That'll allow me to get it over the wires. Give the wire a twist in the same direction that you're going to be spinning it. And then you can spin the O2 sensor off. And get the O2 sensor lined up in the catalytic converter. Just like when removing it, if we twist the wire in the direction of installation, and we'll tighten this to the best of our abilities. We can start routing the wire back up towards its connector. Once we have the wire back up in the engine bay, we can go ahead and plug in our connector. Make sure you hear or feel it snap down. If you don't, give it a tug and make sure it's not going to pull back out. Normally we'd have a clip to attach our wire to the transmission here. We're just going to use a cable tie to secure the wire right here. And make sure to cut off the excess of the cable tie. We can go ahead and get our intake tubing back installed. We can get our hardware installed and snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.